Hey curl friends. Okay, so we're talking about this bread cream right here. So hydrating, so good. I would highly recommend it. Ingredients too, the oils that it has in it here.
Hey.
Oh, hello.
Do you want to make a video together?
I mean, sure, why not?
Hey loves! I'm here today with
FrizzandFrillzz!
and we are going to be doing a video where she styles my hair. She has this amazing product wall, truly amazing, and we're going to try some new things today, and let's go.
So, welcome to my product wall. It's a lot. Don't mind all the craziness on the floors and everywhere else. But her and I were talking about kind of the way Cassie's hair is. It's a lot finer than mine is. I'm very coarse. I have very dense hair. She's got more of a fine to medium texture. And so she said that she doesn't normally need a ton of moisture or necessarily like a ton of just like really a lot of layered products. She can get by with 1 or 2 products for styling. So she also told me that she likes some protein.
Yeah.
So I think I want to do the Briogeo Curl Charisma.
Yes.
This is phenomenal and it has a good amount of protein in it. If you go to the ingredients, you will see it has rice extract, hydrolyzed quinoa, carrot and amino acids. So lots of really great proteins, and it does have a little bit of hold because it does have polyquats in it towards the top. So good stuff. And then I think I want to try the mousse gel for a little bit of added hold from AG.
I'm excited.
And you haven't used either of these, right?
No, I've not. I'm so excited.
Okay, perfect. So I think we're gonna do these for our stylers today. So let's do it.
Yay! My hair's washed. I've never used either one of these. I've actually never used any Briogeo.
You've never used any Briogeo?
Briogeo. So I'm excited to use it because I love rice amino acid. Like amino proteins, my hair loves them. So.
Yeah, I really, personally, like I have a love-hate relationship with the Curl Charisma line from Briogeo because certain products, the really intense, they have 2 different leave-ins. This one's a lighter one and they have one that's in a tub, and I use the one that's in the tub because it's really heavy, which I need. This one's lighter, and so I feel like it's gonna be a good, I'm hoping it's gonna be a good fit for you.
Yeah, and you said these are great for like humidity.
So this one, if I'm not mistaken, this one has polyquaternium 37, which is a great humidity blocking ingredient. I love when I see polyquats in my products for summer. I think they're gonna be a good fit. But it's gonna be really interesting to try.
We're going to the lake today, so we're gonna see how it holds up. So I'm excited. I've got my brush. We've got the Curl Friend Collective clips to section the hair.
Okay, so I want to try a little bit more of like a mix of finger rolling and a mix of brush styling. So I'm going to do a little bit of both depending on how I feel like her hair does. I don't think finger coiling, which I normally do, I don't think that's going to be the best for her because she kind of said that if she finger coils or does any sort of pulling down, it kind of makes her hair more straight wavy rather than bringing up the curl. For me, it brings up the curl. Everybody's hair is different. That's why you try different styling techniques. So let's try this out. I'm going to section your hair into probably 3 sections. I love getting to play with other people's hair. It's so much fun. That's all I need.
Okay.
You got enough hair, I only need one. Okay, so your hair is pretty nice and wet still. We're gonna take a little bit of the defining cream. We're gonna use about this much on her bottom section, and I'm just going to kind of rope it in to her hair. And then we're gonna use a little bit of the mousse gel. And I'm not gonna use too much, again, because I know she said that she doesn't need that much product. I love the way this smells too. And we're gonna do the same kind of application technique. So now-
It smells so good.
I know, doesn't it?
Like actually like,
it smells really nice.
It smells so good.
Okay, so the next piece that we're gonna do here is I'm going to take a little bit of her brush and we're just gonna go into each section. And I like to take the brush, move your head this way. I like to take the brush and then smooth it over my hand like this to create a really beautiful defined curl. And look at that, I give these beautiful ribbon curls. Okay, I think that's actually gonna work really nicely and that'll probably be fairly quick for you. So we'll do the same thing as we move through. Oh yeah, your texture is so different than mine.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny?
Yep, it's definitely way more fine. Really hangs on to the, it like holds the water.
Yeah. Okay. All right, and then I'm just gonna go in and do a quick scrunch. I'm gonna actually add just a little bit more gel, just a very tiny amount, and just kind of scrunch that in. And we're getting some really beautiful ringlets here.
Yay.
Okay.
That's exciting.
Let's continue.
Yeah, I also have significantly less hair than you do.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
My hair is shorter than yours, and it's not nearly as dense. Like, so.
Very, very different.
Man,
Very different.
I really like the way that gel mousse smells. It smells so good.
So one thing I am noticing is these two products together are causing a little bit of, I don't know if you guys can see this, it is causing some major pilling, and this is why we probably should have mixed these two together to see if they were going to work nicely together. We'll see if it dries okay, but like you said, I think you said like sometimes not that big of a deal in your hair. All right, we're going to kind of work a little bit faster through this now because I don't want to waste y'all's time. On this back section, I'm gonna fast forward this part because I think this one's gonna be pretty easy for us. And then we'll kind of finesse those front curls and then we'll be back with her hair dry and see how it goes.
And here it is! Oh, look at I got lots of definition at the top. Like
a lot.
A couple of these curls are like way curlier than they usually are. So I
think it turned out really cute.
Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm gonna start doing that more on my less curly parts of my hair because some of my hair is like way curlier than the other parts. So
I think that's all of us curlies.
I definitely learned something today, and I hope that you guys did too. So Chloe, actually over on Chloe's channel, we did a little swap-a-roo where I picked her products and we did that over on her page. If you want to see that, I'm going to link her page below. You should definitely check it out and subscribe to Chloe because Chloe's great.
Thank you. So is Cassie.
Fabulous content. If you're not subscribed to me, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!